How can you view the AirDropped files on iPhone? And let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, you can at first, you need to know what file type we are talking about. Because if it's a photo and you are sharing files, which are photos or videos over AirDrop, those will automatically be part of the Photos app. So if you want to, you can make sure that the filtering is set to sort by recently added. So those new photos captured on different devices but shared over AirDrop will show at the bottom, right? And you'll be able to swipe up on them. And if there isn't any like camera information in there, or if the camera is not yours, like your phone, then you can tell by this that this is the, AirDropped photo or video, right? So that is something that you can do. But if we're talking about some different file types, those will be saved to the Files app, most likely inside of the Downloads folder. So you can go there, again, in the top right, go to the three dots, click on the sorting and choose date, newest to oldest. So that means that the latest files shared over AirDrop are going to appear toward the top of the list, meaning that, basically all of them are going to be right there and you'll be able to browse it. But it's not going to have like any kind of like tag or anything for you to know that this is sent over AirDrop, right? Once it becomes part of your phone, it's just there, right? So you can kind of trace it back, but if you shared something like a year ago, you're not going to know that it was shared over AirDrop because, it's impossible to know. It's just a file on your phone now. So it depends on what your purpose or goal is with this. So hopefully I helped you out with it. Let me know if we managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.